Today I want to teach you how to make a blend brush on Procreate. First, you click the brush icon and then you select the cross icon to create a new brush. For your stroke pattern, your stabilization, your taper, you should leave those settings the way it is. And then the shape, you should click shape source and then you enter source library and then you see the soft. After clicking that, you press done. No changes for the grain, and then you move to rendering. You select uniform blending. Now wet mix, dilution to max. Your pool should be at 50. Your charge should be disabled. And then we move to the properties. For properties, we just play with the sizes. You can increase your maximum size and your minimum size, how you want it to be. And now we have created the brush, so let's use it. But first, let's rename the brush so that we can identify it. For we to do that, we go to about this brush and we click the untitled brush and we rename it. So I'm going to name it a blend brush. Yeah, so after that, let's test our brush. So I'll be using another brush to render on the canvas, then we'll use our blend brush to blend it out. Now let's select the blend brush we just created. You can adjust the size, the opacity, just the way you want it, and you can see it's blending it. So that's it. So let's try it on something I'm working on, which I'm probably not going to finish. So this was me when I was using my blend brush. You see, it just blends the color. So thanks for watching. Please follow, give this video a like and comment. I'll see you in the next video.